Welcome, here I've got CAVION Base 5.0 and I'm gonna show you how to change aspect ratio in the camera app at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's move to the left side to this button at the bottom. When we pick it, we can open the advanced camera options. Now let's focus on this settings bar. We are from the left in general settings. Let's go to the center to the photo settings. And here we have to slide a little bit down and we have the preview size option. So this is our aspect ratio. When we tap on it, we can see two options, the full screen and the standard 4:3, which is now. So let me change this to the full one. And as you can see now, the background has changed to the full one. So this is how it looks like. Once again, let's move to the left corner at the bottom to this settings. We are again on the center on the photo settings. Let's pick the preview size and go back to standard 4:3. And this is how to change this. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.